All right, let's go over A3. Sketch a set of functions. So let's remind each other that a set, this is where you're using your linear, your quadratics, whose product, so we have to multiply these, builds a cubic function. So let's highlight that. Cubic function just basically means to the third power with the given characteristics. So a cubic function is in quadrants 1 and 3 only. Okay, they want the cubic function to be in here. Okay, so basically that means the end product is in quadrants 1 and 3. So let's write that up if you didn't know that. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the finished product is going to go through there. Okay, what's important is that the cubic function will increase from left to right. So we already have that. That's the two quadrants here. Okay, so you basically need all of your functions that we're going to build have to be positive, or you can have two negatives. All the x-intercepts have to go through the origin, because basically you need a constant, or the number without a variable, to be 0. So here is a combination that you can use, okay? This one has a rise of 2 up 1, so that is one function. That function is negative x. I'm sorry, that would be 2x, and this would be a linear. Okay? And then if I just build a, whoops. If I build a quadratic, I get, this one would be, say, x squared. So linear times a quadratic gives me a cubic. Remember, you might be asking, Mr. Ng, this part right here is in quadrant 2, and you're not supposed to be, but remember the final product. So if you actually multiply these together, you would get 2x to the third power. And that final graph would look like 2, 8, 16. So something really would look something like this. Let's make it super thick. This is what your final product is going to look like, okay? And that's only in the yellow boxes. So it's not about the original linears or quadratics, how you're building it. It's the final product has to only go. The cubic function is in quadrants 1 and 3 only.